Leaders of tomorrow, we serve and impact others. That is the thing that we want to do, is to create an atmosphere of impacting students and to also serve our community in different ways. And in a certain way, today we are serving, being able to give dress clothes for students to serve in that way. Also, we equip and train leaders. That is something that our guest speakers do. They come on Wednesdays and they give certain materials to the students to help them when it comes to learning about leadership. And they also get that training when they join leadership positions. They come and they're able to join a leadership position and learn to be a greater leader through that process. Also, we build and understand organization structure. When you go into the workforce, when you go to different organizations, there are certain structures and there are certain protocols on the way things should be. And LOT, what we try to do is to make this organization similar to the real workforce, to the real world, much as possible. This is a new added thing that I really paid attention to. There's a lot of social things, there are a lot of social issues, there's a lot of different conflicts that we have experienced in our community that I want LOT to look on and pay attention to. There are some future projects that I'm looking forward to work on, especially because of what has happened in these last couple weeks. When I was younger, I got into dress clothes at the age of, let me see, I think age 10, around there.
Seventh grade.
So was it?
It was seventh grade.
It was 7? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I'm tripping then. Okay, it was 7th grade. My mama knows best, so yeah, it was 7th grade where I got into dress clothes around that age. I can't remember the exact age, but it was around 7th grade. My friend was like, "Hey man, you gotta up your game. You gotta wear dress clothes, things like that." So that's how I got into it. I taught my own self how to tie a tie. Because I was just so into it. I wanted to learn how to do this, know how to tie a bow tie, I want to do all those things. Yeah, so you're welcome to come up, and if you want to look at the dress shirts and the suit jackets, you can. I'm just going to keep going around, then you guys be able to get the opportunity to touch and see what you want to get. Over here, we have ties. They are still packaged. We have ties over here.
That's a good one.
So I see a couple hands that you guys know how to tie. You know how to tie?
I want to get this one.
On your right hand, on your right side, you want the small part on your right side, and the big side, you want that on your left side. And what you want to do is, I kind of go for the waist. You want the small part to hit your waist area, so you want the big part longer than the small part when you.
Let me see what you do.
I didn't like it.
That's perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Do this. Take it.
First of all, I'm left-handed.
Yeah. So when you're gonna push it under, pull it out.
Like this, right? And then you want to.
Then you're gonna grab this big part and you're gonna put it through this little hoop, this little loop. There's like a little hole that you see, and you're gonna push it
See where
down
my left hand is?
in there.
It's just like a big knot, y'all.
Like this?
Alright.
Or like this?
You know what?
Yeah, I'm gonna demonstrate.
That's why I can tie a tie and y'all
Okay.
can't.
This is a you should definitely.
Large medium. I feel like a large is like
If you forget to take blood tomorrow, ice.
you know what? I'm about to get iced out. Watch it. I'm about to get iced out.
I'm gonna put it back in.
Okay. Yeah,
Oh,
that looks
thing
nice.
is cool. Are you getting that?
These may be bigger if you want to look over there.
No, he is small.
You just want, just get the Joe to say you got a Joe suit.
You can get multiple, so.
I gotta tie this for like the third
Got it?
time.
Yeah, I can't do
Take